Navigating the maze of bureaucracy. Understanding, drowning in red tape. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that paints a vivid picture of a common frustration. Drowning in red tape. This expression is widely used in both professional and everyday contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's unravel the mystery together. Drowning in red tape refers to being overwhelmed by excessive bureaucratic procedures, paperwork, or regulations. The phrase uses the imagery of drowning to convey a sense of being submerged or overpowered, and red tape historically refers to the red ribbon used to bind legal documents. Together, they depict a situation where one feels helplessly entangled in the complexities of administrative procedures. The term, red tape, dates back to the 16th century when legal and official documents were bound with a red ribbon to distinguish them. This practice made these documents stand out, but over time, it came to symbolize the slow and complicated processes of dealing with bureaucracy. Understanding this origin helps us appreciate the metaphorical use of the phrase in modern times. Let's look at some scenarios where you might use or encounter this phrase. Applying for a permit or license and navigating through multiple forms and approvals. Starting a new business and dealing with various regulatory requirements and paperwork. Working in an organization where policy changes or administrative procedures slow down progress. In these contexts, saying someone is drowning in red tape expresses the frustration and hindrance caused by bureaucratic delays. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are a few examples. I wanted to renovate my house, but I've been drowning in red tape trying to get all the necessary permits. Our project could advance much faster if we weren't drowning in red tape at every turn. I hope this explanation clears up the meaning behind drowning in red tape and helps you feel more confident using it in your conversations or writing. Remember, learning such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into cultural and historical aspects of the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.